Apparently Cyclone Alfred's actually going to come to Brisbane in a couple of days. My goal today is to buy some water just to make sure, everyone's safe in the family, drinking water. And I've heard from a lot of friends, a lot of it's sold out. We'll see what happens in the supermarket today. Just got back, it's all sold out. I might check a few other shops later today to see if there's anything that I can buy in terms of the water, but it is what it is. I'm sure we'll survive somehow. I just had this sudden inspiration that I wanted to share with you guys, and that is, for those that are watching this, you may have something that you want to do. Maybe you want to get out of your 9 to 5. Maybe you want to try something new, but you just can't find that first step to do it. I really want to encourage you to say, don't even take that first step. Just take a half a step. If it's starting your own business, if it's trying a different side hustle, you might feel like you're afraid to fail, but it's okay. I remember when I just started out investing, I was still doing my 9 to 5 as a physio. I lost a bunch of money at the start, but it was only because I kept going and continued to invest that I managed to make money, and eventually I was able to start my own business as an agency. Those baby steps of investing led me up the courage of, hey, there's a whole different world of making money other than the 9 to 5. And 4 years down later, I'm currently where I am, where I'm able to start this day trading journey after my agency business. And honestly, a lot of the times I still don't know what I'm doing or where I'm going for the future. I'm 26 this year. A lot of people are saying, hey, in a couple years you should be married, getting to have a kid. And I think I really love this quote. The cause of fear is all imaginary from your head. The fear of death, the fear of failure, the fear of not being enough is all just a process in your mind. And those are actually things that will happen maybe in the future, but at the time right now, at this instance that you're watching this, that's not happening yet. So you may as well just go try to do it, and who knows, you may succeed. So hopefully this encouraged you, and I'll continue to try look for water, but I'm going to play some basketball for now. Bye. So today I only made this one single trade, and I'm still in it. The reason was because when the day opened, it did not look too good. I think the day opened around here and it just went down. And the reason why I didn't want to trade was because this low here is kind of matching up with where this previous low was. So kind of consolidating here. I wasn't actually going to trade the whole day until I saw a signal of a sell in the smart alert. So I'm like, okay, let's take a signal. And so what I've done is taken the low here to the high here using my fib retracement. I'm in the position and it's just kind of bouncing around up and down in this first buy zone. What we're going to do is we've got the buy and we've got our take profit here. If it comes up to these limit orders 1 and 2, then we're going to sell at here. If it comes to the limit order 1, I've got to sell at here. Okay, so that's the game plan for tonight as I go to bed. Our soul chart in position is around up $6.80. So we'll see what happens tomorrow morning, but that's a quick update on what's going on in terms of today's trade. But other than trading today, I just relaxed, did some video editing, played some basketball, just enjoyed life. This is the life of a trader, as well as the life of an entrepreneur or someone who's made an agency themselves. So this is the freedom that I have, and that's enabled me to do this today. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.